From the moment you walk through the front door, you know that this is going to be an exceptional vacation experience. This magnificent 7-bedroom, 5-bath home was designed with large groups in mind, ideal for family reunions, professional retreats, golf groups, or multi-family vacations. Cascade Lodge comfortably accommodates up to 17 people. The high vaulted ceilings and tall view windows let you enjoy the beautiful ponderosa pines that surround you. The great room features an impressive river rock fireplace, 42-inch plasma TV, custom log accents, and beautiful finishings throughout. This home has a mountain lodge feel that every guest will enjoy. A gourmet kitchen awaits the creative chef in the group, complete with island bar, solid granite countertops, all stainless steel appliances, double ovens, large refrigerator, microwave, and everything you'll need to prepare those large group meals. The main dining area seats 10 people, and the second area seats an additional 8. There is also seating available at the kitchen island counter. Master Suite Number 1 includes a king-size bed, TV, private bath with luxurious soaker tub, large shower, and private access to the hot tub. Master Suite Number 2 includes a king bed, TV, and private bath. Bedroom Number 3 features a king bed, TV, and is just 2 steps away from a large bath with shower. There are 2 additional queen bedrooms on the second floor, each with their own TVs. The bunk room includes 4 twin bunk beds and TV, great for the kids. The bonus room features a full-size billiards table, pub table, TV, PlayStation 2, and a new queen-size sofa bed. Please visit our website to see all 5 of our Sunriver Vacation homes, along with availability and seasonal specials. Check it out now at www.sunriverrentalsbyowner.com.